Hello everyone. So in this part of the video, I'll give some question answers from chapter 8. The chapter name is Political Physical Divisions of Europe. It is for class 7 students. So we'll start from question answers. The first question is, name the seas and oceans that surround the continent of Europe. So the answer you will be writing, Europe is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. The Arctic Ocean lies in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. Next question, what is European Union and what is its significance? Answer you will be writing, the European Union is basically an organization of the European states. Formation of European Union has improved trade relations and cooperation among the members states. Next question number 3, which countries make up Benelux and what is its significance? Answer you will be writing, the lowland countries or Benelux are Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. Much of the land, particularly in the Netherlands, lies below the sea level. Question number 4, what are steppes? Answer is, steppes are temperate grasslands in Europe. Next question number 5, name a few lakes of Europe. So the answer you will be writing, the few lakes of Europe are Ladoga, Onega, Geneva, etc. Next, differentiate. First question, differentiate between Scandinavian countries and lowland countries. So the answer you will be writing, in the Scandinavian countries are Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland and Iceland. This is a large region of northern Europe that is made up of Scandinavian peninsula. In the lowland countries, you will write the lowland countries or Benelux are Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. Much of the land, particularly in the Netherlands, lies below the sea level. Next question, differentiate between river Rhine and river Seine. So you will be writing in river Rhine. River Rhine has its source in the German Alps, flow through the Rift Valley between the Black Forest and the Vosges Mountains and drains into the North Sea. It is considered to be the most important and busiest river in Europe. In the river Seine, you will be writing, Seine River of Europe is the only river which emptied itself into the English Channel. Next, differentiate European plains and alpine mountain system. So in the European plains, you will write south of the mountains stretching from the Ural Mountains in the east to the Atlantic Ocean in the west are the Great Plains of the European continent. Second point you will be writing, these plains are not entirely flat all through but have rolling hills and mountains interspersing the flat lands. Now in the alpine mountains, you will write the first point, the alpine mountain system consists of chains of the young-fold mountains stretching from the Atlantic coast in the west to the Caspian Sea in the east. The Alps are the largest mountain system in Europe. Next question, differentiate between northwestern highland and central upland. So in northwestern highlands, you will write this mountain system is also called the Scandinavian highlands, stretched from the Ural mountains of Russia to Britain, extending from Finland through Norway, Sweden and highlands of Scotland up to Iceland. Second point you will write, they are made up of old crystalline rocks. Next, in the central upland, you will write, to the south of the Great Plains lie the central uplands, which consist of plateaus, valleys and mountains that are not very high and are formed from old rocks. They are extend from the Atlantic coast of Spain through France, Germany and Poland. Next point, this system of uplands are said to be the remains of a much older mountain system that once existed in Europe before the formation of alpine system. So these are all the question answers from the chapter 8.